Hi children, very good morning ma. Welcome to the today's video class. Children, today we are going to learn addition and subtraction situations. So today we are going to learn the application skills ma on additions and subtractions. Okay children, first read the sum ma. This is the story sum ma. What is the sum? Let's read with me ma. A bicycle company sold 12,813 bicycles in April and 10,372 bicycles in June. Find out the total number of bicycles sold in the 2 months. Okay children, whenever story sum is there, first you have to read that properly ma. Read the story sum, first understand. So what are the information given, collect that information, and next step is what you want ma. So find out how to find out, understood that one. Okay children, so read this sum. What is that one ma? A bicycle company. What is there ma? A bicycle company is there, and this bicycle company sold how many bicycles sold ma? 12,813 bicycles in April. Okay children, and what he gave ma? He gave 10,372 bicycles sold in June. So what he's asking ma? He's asking total. So what is the information given ma? Number of bicycles sold in April and number of bicycles sold in June. And what he's asking find out the total in the 2 months. So total means what you have to do, either addition or subtraction, which operation you will do ma. For total means we have to do, for total mean what you have to do ma? We have to do plus addition. So to find out total, how we get the total ma? By doing addition. Okay children, so write the solution steps ma. So what is the first step ma? What is the information given? So 12,830 is in bicycles sold in April. So what is the first step? Maybe bicycles sold in April. What is that ma? Bicycles sold in April. How many bicycles sold in April children? That is equal to how much ma? 12,813. How much children? 12,813 bicycles. So what is the next step children? Bicycles sold in June. What is the next step ma? Bicycles sold in June. Okay ma? So the given information we copied. So how many bicycles sold in June? That is 10,372. How many children? 10,372. So what he asked ma? He asked bicycles sold in, find out the total number of bicycles sold in the 2 months. So bicycles sold in 2 months. What he asked ma? He asked bicycles sold in 2 months. Sold in 2 months. Okay children, so how we get the total ma? By addition. So do the simple addition children. What is that? 3 plus 2, 5. 1 plus 7, 8. 8 plus 3, 11. So you have to carry this 1. So 1 plus 2, 3. 1 plus 1, 2. So what is the total children? 23,185. So 23,185 bicycles were sold in 2 months. Okay children, do you understand ma? So copy the sum children. This is the solution ma. Pause the video here, copy the solution. Okay children, bicycles sold in April 12,813, bicycles sold in June 10,372, bicycles sold in 2 months. If you add these two numbers, what you get ma? You get 23,185. So 23,185 bicycles were sold in 2 months. Okay children, let's move to the next sum. Okay children, So what is the first thing you have to do whenever you see the story sum? You have to read it properly. The first step is read the sum properly. So let's read with me, ma. For a school carnival means school festival, ma. Muskan sold 345 tickets. The girl Muskan sold, she sold some tickets, ma. That is 345. Lakshita sold 387 tickets. And Aditya sold 416 tickets. So how many tickets did the three students sell together? Okay, children. So this is the sum. So what is the information given here, ma? Here three students are there who sold tickets for the school carnival. Okay, children. Who are the three kids, ma? One is Muskan. One is Muskan. Okay, children. Next girl is Lakshita. Nice name, nama, Lakshita. And a boy is also there. Who is him? He is Aditya. So three students are there. Muskan, Lakshita and Aditya. Muskan sold 345 tickets. Okay, ma. Lakshita sold 387 tickets. And Aditya sold 416 tickets. For a which reason, ma? They are sold tickets for a school carnival. Okay, children. So what is the question given, ma? This is the information given. So let's find out what is the question given. So what is the question given, ma? How many tickets did the three students sell together? So what is the what he is asking, ma? Three students sell together. So how many he is asking, ma? How many tickets did the three students sell together? So what you have to do, ma? Together means also you have to do addition here. Okay, children. So let's do the solution, children. Okay, ma? Okay, what is this? So what is the first step, ma? Number of tickets. Okay, ma. So what is the solution step, ma? Number of tickets sold by, who is the first girl, children? What is her name? Muskan. Number of tickets sold by Muskan. How many she sold, ma? How many tickets Muskan sell, ma? She sold 345 tickets. Okay, children. So next step, ma, what is the number of next step, ma? Number of tickets sold by, who is the next girl? Lakshita. What's her name, ma? Lakshita. And how many tickets sold by Lakshita, ma? Lakshita sold 387 tickets. Okay, children. And another boy is there, nama. What is his name? Aditya. So number of tickets sold by Aditya. What is his name, ma? Aditya. So how many tickets, ma, he sold? He sold 416 tickets. How many, children? 416 tickets. So what he's asking, how many tickets did the three students sell together? How many tickets did the three students sell together? So number of tickets they sold together. Okay, children. So how many they sold together, ma? How do we know? By doing addition. Okay, children, add these numbers, ma. So ones place, what are the digits in ones place? 5, 7 and 6. 5 plus 7, 12, ma. 12 plus 6, 18. So 8 here, 1 you have to carry here, ma. 1 plus 4, 5, 5 plus 8, 13, 13 plus 1, 14. Okay, children, again carry the 1, ma. 1 plus 3, 4, 4 plus 3, 7, 7 plus 4, how much, ma? 11. So what is the number, ma? 1148 tickets. How many tickets these three students sold, ma? 1148 tickets. So 3 students sold 1148 tickets together. Okay children, copy the solution ma. Okay children, do you copy ma? Let's move to the third sum children. So read the third sum children. What is this? The cost of a t-shirt is how much ma? Rupees 999. 999. So 999. Okay ma, during a festive season it was sold at a special price of rupees 775. So, okay, for how much less than its cost was the t-shirt sold? Okay children, do you understood the sum ma? So let's, if you don't understand, please read the sum at again ma. Okay children, generally in the festival season what you find ma, before the shops you saw big holdings, discounts are there, offers are there. So one festival is going on ma. So festival in our area ma, Sankranti festival is there, Sankranti offers, Ashadam Masam offers, this kind of you listen na ma. So here also they are giving some offer ma. So in that season the cost of t-shirt is reduced ma. So they reduce the cost ma from 999 to 775. So now how much they reduce? What is the amount they reduce? He is asking that one. Okay children, do you understand ma? First, what the information given in the sum ma? The cost of a t-shirt. Okay ma, the cost of a t-shirt is how much ma? That is 999 rupees t-shirt ma. So because of a festival, what they did ma, for a special price, so they reduced the cost from 999 to 775. Okay ma, so the cost is reducing ma. So find out how much less than its cost was the t-shirt sold. So what he is asking ma, how much less than? So what is the important thing is less than. So how do you get less than ma? Addition means more ma. So less means how you get ma? By subtraction. Okay children, by subtraction. Okay children, you have to do which operation here ma? We have to apply subtraction here. Okay children, so what is the first step ma? First you have to, in the subtraction, what is the minuend? Minuend is always bigger number. So here 999 is a minuend. So what is the first step children? Cost of the t-shirt. What is that? Cost of a t-shirt. Cost of a t-shirt. How much ma? Actually the cost of the t-shirt is how much? 999. How much children? 999. So 3 nines are there. So due to festival, what is the price of the t-shirt ma? So they reduce the cost ma. So now what is the price of the t-shirt ma? Price. So they sold this at this price ma. This is the cost ma, but here they sold at this price. So price of a t-shirt, it was sold at which price ma? It's sold at 775. How much ma? 775. So what he is asking, how much less than its cost was the t-shirt. So you have to find out the difference in the cost and price. So you have to find out the difference. What we have to find out ma? We have to find out the difference. So you have to find out the difference. How we get the difference ma? By doing which operation children? By doing subtraction. So you have to do subtraction here. Very simple subtraction ma, very easy subtraction. 9 minus 5, how much ma? 4. 9 minus 7, 2. 9 minus 7, 2. So how much cost they reduced ma? They reduced 224 rupees ma. So the t-shirt was sold at rupees through 224. Then its cost. Okay children, have a look ma. This is the solution children. Copy the solution children. Now pause the video and copy the solution. Okay children. So let's move to the next sum children. Okay children, it's a easy sum also. Please read the sum children. A farmer spent rupees 8,200 for a tube well. Okay children, he got rupees 4,500 as a loan from a bank. How much did he spend from his pocket? This is the question children. A farmer, so he in the farm, tube wells are very important ma. For agriculture water is very very essential. So what he did ma, he took a tube well ma. Okay ma. For a tube well he spent 8,200 rupees ma. How many rupees children? He spent 8,200 rupees for a tube well ma. Okay children, but he don't have that much amount, so he took a loan. Loan means we lent a money ma, from a bank. He took that debit from a bank ma. So he took a loan from a bank. How much amount he took a loan ma? So that is 4,500. So how much money he spent from his pocket, his own money, for a tube well ma? How much he spent his own money for a tube well? That is he is asking ma. So what is the information given? He spent rupees 8,200 for a tube well. So he took loan also from the bank, that is rupees 4,500. So how much his money he spent from his pocket? Okay children, that is the question. So how do you get ma? So how we get ma? By doing addition or subtraction. How? So that is subtraction ma. Why? Because in total amount is 8,200 and loan is 4,500. So how much money is spent by the farmer? Okay ma, that is by subtraction we will get that one. Okay children, let's check the solution ma. Okay, so solution. Okay children, so what is the first step children? Guess that one. Amount. So the total amount spent by, who spent this amount ma? Farmer. Spent by a farmer. For why he spent that amount ma? For a tube well ma. So just write like this one. Amount spent by a farmer. How much he spent children? 8,200. How much amount he spent ma? 8,200. And entire money he has ma, he don't have that money, that much money. So what he did ma? He took a loan from a bank. So how much amount he took a loan ma, as a loan? So loan taken from a bank, loan got from a bank, loan got from a bank. How much amount he take from a bank ma? From the bank. From the bank. How much amount he took from a bank ma? That is 4,500. That is 4,000. So how much amount he took from the bank ma? 4,500. Okay children. Okay children, so loan got from the bank is 4,000. Okay children, loan got from the bank is 4,500 rupees. So what he asked ma? He asked amount spent from the pocket. Okay ma. So the third one is amount spent from the pocket. Okay children, how much amount spent from the pocket? Okay children, so how we get ma? By doing subtraction we will get that answer. So 0 minus 0, 0. Again 0 minus 0, 0. 2 minus 5, is it possible ma? No, 2 is the smallest number. So you have to borrow from another next number ma. So 8 minus 1, 7. So if you borrow, what it become? It become 12. So 12 minus 5, 7. 7 minus 4, 3. So what is the answer children? 3,700 rupees the farmer spent from his pocket. Okay children, copy the solution ma. So amount spent by a farmer 8,200 rupees. Loan got from the bank. Loan got from the bank is 4,500 ma. So amount spent from the farmer's pocket is 3,700 rupees. Okay children, copy the sum ma. Copy these 4 sums ma. Okay ma, do you copy the all 4 sums ma? Copy it children, practice this kind of sums. Okay children, let's meet in the next class ma. Have a nice day children. Thank you very much.